This charming 2-bed, 2-bath home sits on 15 plus acres of land in West Virginia, offering one-level living with a large kitchen and dining room filled with natural light. The home features a spacious 2-car garage with a workshop and storage space perfect for tools and toys. Additional features include a fire pit and a wooded property ideal for gardening or forest bathing. The full basement offers potential for extra living space or a separate guest area, making this home full of possibilities. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.